Hey everybody, this is Matt with Nowaskey Suspension. Today, Pete's super busy. We've all been in and out of meetings all day and I drew the short end of the stick, so I'm here to talk to you guys today about our fork brace from HHI. I've done a couple of videos on these fork braces, so today's more of an update. We have them here in stock and quite a few of them, so we're ready to get shipping them out to you guys. We should have them on the website here in the next week or two, hopefully. And yeah, just a couple of touching points on these. I really like this fork brace. I tested it on my own personal bagger and really liked it. And why I liked it was because this fork brace is very adjustable side to side. I shouldn't say very adjustable, but it is really adjustable in the sense that if you have a couple millimeters off here and there between wheel bearings or aftermarket wheels or something, this isn't gonna clamp on your forks and really put a bunch of pressure on it to where your suspension won't travel freely like it should. And that's what I really like about this fork brace. The machining on it looks great. It's very lightweight. So it's just a great part from HHI. And guys, we've been selling a lot of HHI products and I love the experience that everyone gets with them. It's very rare that we get a complaint about an HHI part. So really happy to be pushing these. As of right now, they are only available at nowaskey.com. So that's pretty cool. And we look forward to getting these out to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, let us know what you think about this part. Maybe share it with a friend or two, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.